Studies show that splitting your day into periods of eating and fasting promote health and weight loss. But is that how we eat? An innovative study published in 2015 revealed that many of us are all-day grazers, eating for 15 hours or more each day. That by itself is an interesting finding, but what's truly remarkable is what happened to the study participants' weight, energy level, and sleep satisfaction when they did nothing more than shorten their daily eating window by just a few hours. In this video, we'll take a look at how restricting the number of hours you eat in a day might result in a health and weight loss boost for you. In 2015, a research team used a smartphone app to track the eating patterns of men and women enrolled in a scientific study. They wanted to do two things. First, they wanted to uncover trends in our eating patterns. Second, they wanted to see if tweaking those established patterns of eating would lead to weight loss or health changes. Using the app, participants took pictures of everything they ate and drank throughout the day, and this data was then automatically sent to the research team for analysis. After 3 weeks, enough data was collected to establish normal eating patterns, which revealed some interesting initial findings. They discovered that more than half of us eat for 15 hours or more each day. The only time that many of us stop eating is when we sleep. We eat late in the day, with more than 35% of calorie consumption coming after 6 p.m. And we eat differently on the weekend than we do on weekdays, setting up what the research team described as metabolic jet lag that throws off your normal metabolic rhythm in a way akin to traveling across time zones. Those discoveries were remarkable by themselves, but what was truly remarkable is what happened when a small group of overweight participants reduced their eating window by just a few hours. 8 men and women were selected to take part in a 16-week intervention study. These individuals were instructed to reduce their typical eating duration, which had been greater than 14 hours a day, down to 10 to 12 hours a day. They were not instructed to change their nutrition or calorie intake, just their eating window. At the end of the 16 weeks, the participants lost an average of 3.27 kilograms, which is more than 7 pounds, and they reported a significant improvement in sleep satisfaction and energy level. The changes that these participants noticed were so impactful to them that all participants voluntarily expressed an interest in continuing unsupervised with the shortened eating window at the conclusion of the study. When they checked back in with them again 36 weeks later, the participants maintained weight loss and sleep improvement, and they felt more energetic. As a society, we think that we eat 3 meals a day with an occasional snack thrown in here and there. But this study uncovered a different trend, revealing that many of us graze and grab food from the time we get out of bed to the time we go back to bed. That mindless consumption of calories likely plays a role in the growing obesity epidemic that we face as a society. The good news is that this study also reveals that by simply tuning into when you eat, you can positively impact your weight and health. In other words, by consciously restricting the number of hours that you eat during the day, you unconsciously lose weight and improve your health. Cycling between periods of eating and fasting is the basis of intermittent fasting, and I have videos and articles on this topic here on YouTube and on my website, drbeckyfitness.com, if you would like to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive a notification when my next video is out. Till then, have a great week.